the dirt. Say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd. Take the berserk, don't get on.
What's going on? It's your boy Herman. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Back to Black Restorer. And I use this for the trims. It's pretty cool. I like it. It lasts very long, and it brings a nice little shine to it. So I'm going to show you real quick. I just washed the Escalade, and it still looks a little dirty. So I'm going to be adding some of this stuff. You guys are going to see the difference right now. So the way you do it, I just add a bit of it, just like that. So I just add a bit of it. Go out, just grab one of the polishing racks, and you guys see the difference. It's a twig. Before I even do this side, I want you guys to see the difference. Like I said, I just washed it. It's nice and clean. But this usually gets very, very dirty. Tell the difference right away between that and that. I usually do that here. I also do it on the rolling boards. See it dirty. So I usually put it on this trim too, all around. So you can see it's already faded from the sun. I'm going to be painting this later on. I'll be showing you guys too how to do that. But for now, let's finish this off. There we go. So I also added to the running boards. Show you guys again. Grab a quick little shake, open it up. You could also add it to like a little pat. I like just doing it like this, like make a difference right away. Makes a huge difference in the Escalade. Look at that. Let's cover that side. That's black. All dirty. So yeah, I usually do this every single time. So either when I wash it, I'll do this, or if I see that it's dirty, I'll just give it a quick little wipe and I'll add some of this. It does make a huge difference. And then on this part right here, what I do, I just want to get it in this area. So I just cover it like that, and so. And then try to see the difference. I want you guys to see the difference. Like in this area right here, you can see the damage from the sun real bad. But then if you do this, put some of this stuff on, look at that. It's real bad from the top. And then it covers it. So just add it, and it'll last, I want to say a couple of days depending on the weather. Obviously it's not temporary solution. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you subscribe, like, comment, let me know what's up. Highly recommend this product. I'm not sponsored by any of them, or I'm just honest little review. Definitely check this out. Check my Instagram, follow me. Like I said, comment, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Stay golden. Peace.
And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning.